what are the facts, which are the beaches that have been taken up, and what is the basic issue? What is the blue flag certification? There is a lot of confusion.
See, blue flag certification is certification that this particular beach world over, that this particular beach has this many facilities, and only if these facilities are there on the beach, then only it becomes a blue flag. And the tourists prefer to go to a blue flag destination because it has got all basic facilities what the tourist desires to go. Now, what is the political crux of this? I don't know. I am aware that the blue flag certification, when I was chairman of Goa Tourism Development Corporation, we had initiated Miramar Beach. That was the first beach was supposed to be taken. There also there was some issue. Ultimately, Goa being a touristic destination, you can't keep on telling that we are not going to be in part of the world tourism. Tourism today, we have to be part of the world circuit, where tourists see today online tourism is far more sold than actually today we don't have travel agents. Today our airline tickets are sold online, and today everything is online, and people see the blue flag certification, which is a certification given only to beaches where there is a proper toilet facility, there is a proper changing room facility, there is a proper bathroom facility, there is a proper locker facility, there is accessibility to handicapped people on the beach. Only these are the facilities which are on blue flag. And I think the controversy which has been created is only by opposition because this is the time of elections. People should not get bored-bodied. There is no commercialization of the beach. The beach is maintained by the government only. And nobody is going to come to beach. If nobody wants to happen and they want to go take Goa to a backward level, it's for the people of the state.
But it is not a fact that the locals are going to be restricted or made to pay to enter the beach. Is that
No. There is no restriction for. There is only segregation. There is only segregation. See what happens. See, the entire beach is divided. The fisherman is allowed to unload the fish entire beach. There is one part designated for water sport, one this for swimming. So every beach is demarcated, and there's no anybody is able to come on the beach. There's no problem. Like this in India, there are already 22 beaches which have blue flag certification, and they are doing wonderfully well. People are going, hoarding there, which are tourists from abroad, foreigners and people who are coming to visit these destinations are going to these beaches because of the certification. There are so many beaches in India which have already been certified. Part of the beauty of the blue flag certification. They are promoted more than anybody else. And they are protected in the area so that आता water sports in the beach are सगळे beach are होता. So when they are given a designated place for water sport, designated place for swimming, so automatically fishermen get a maximum beach for their activity, and fishermen should be allowed on the beaches to do their activity. That is the beauty where tourists will be attracted to.
Thank you.
ब्लू फ्लॅग सर्टिफिकेशन करपाक जशें हांवें सांगलें ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंट गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया करतले तेन्ना गोंयांक फर्स्ट प्रेफरन्स दिल्लो आमीच फाटीं उरल्या फाटीं उरपाक कारण कित्याक हे बेश्टे नाकालेले एलिमेंट जे येता आनी खंयचे खंय पॉलिटिकल एनवायरमेंट करता आनी खंय तरी बाबा विचार करनासतना खंय प्रेजेंटेशनां आपयल्या प्रेजेंटेशनां येना खुबशीं प्रेजेंटेशनां जाल्लीं तेंचे ब्लू फ्लॅग सर्टिफिकेशनाची टीम येयल्ली फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू टेल देम वॉट इज द बीच इवन MLAकूय म्हाका असं प्रेजेंटेशन केल्लें एसेंब्लीत गोंयांत टोटल 14 बिची आयडेंटिफाय केल्ल्यो पूण तो प्रोसेस अजुनूय स्टँड स्टील जाल्लो आसा मिरामार बीच फर्स्ट आशिल्ली ती कोर्टान कोण तरी NGO गेलो आनी ती अजुनूय हायकोर्टाचें डिसिजन अजुनूय जावना बिकॉज ऑफ पॅन्डेमीक ते तशेंच उरला सो म्हाका दिसता पयर कोण आमचे कालूस बाबान इनिशिएटीव घेवन परतून रिवायव करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो तितून भितर ऑफिशियली आमचे डेजिग्नेशन आमी कोण वचोंक ना म्हणजे आमचे ताणें मागलेले की येवचे बट फायल मुवमेंट करून तांकां ऑफिशियली फुडें जे परतून ब्लू फ्लॅग प्रेजेंटेशन परतून करपाक जाय ते करतले